Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss mod under the heading statistics. Already we are done with mean and three methods of finding the mean. First method was direct method, then assumed mean method, and then step deviation method. Today in mod we will discuss how to calculate it, what is the formula for finding the mod. Right, in ninth standard you are already done. What is mode? The number which is in the repetition in the given data. By definition we can say a mod is a value which occurs most frequently in set of observation and around which the other items of the set cluster densely. What does it mean? That the number which occur again and again, which is in repetition, okay, most frequently, which comes again and again, around which all the other numbers or all the other item are very close. All the other items or numbers are very close to that number. Okay, that type of number is known as mode. Okay, let's take one example, or more you can say the observation with maximum frequency. Right, in ninth standard we have done this type of data. This is ungrouped data: 10, 20, 18, 25, 18, 21, 19, 18, and like this. Okay, so here we can say which number is in repetition. 1, 2, 3 times 18 comes, right? So 18 is coming again and again, so 18 is our mod. Okay, this is about what? Ungrouped data. Now what if we have grouped data? How to find the mod in that case? Today we are going to discuss the formula of finding mod in case we have grouped data. Mod's formula is L plus F1 minus F2, F0, this is known as F0, upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 in the one bracket and multiplication by h. Right, now what are these terms? L, h, f1, what are they? L is the lower limit of the model class. We are going to identify the model class first, and the lowest number is considered as L. H is the size of the interval. F1 will be the frequency of the model class, highest frequency. We are going to consider F1. F0 will be the preceding frequency of the model class, and F2 will be the succeeding frequency of the model class. You will get to know these terms by looking into one example. Okay, otherwise this will not be clear to you. Just check the formula from here, then we are going to discuss it in the question. Right, say this. First statement says find the mod of the following data. Mod is to find, and data is given to you. Age is given and number of patients. Right, 5 to 15 year of age, how many patients are there? 6. 15 to 25, 15 to 25 year of age, there are 11 patients. Like this we have data up to 65, age group of 55 to 65, and there are 5 number of patients, right, of, you can say, coronavirus only. Right, so this is the distribution. This is known as frequency distribution. Right, so solution for this, how will write? First you need to write this column, this into column form. This is my age and this is frequency. Right, there is nothing to worry because this is one of the simplest question, simplest method you can check in the whole statistics. What you need to do is you have to check the greatest number among the frequencies. Greatest or the highest number is 23. Okay, so we are marking this as model class. So circle this as model class. Right, so the preceding number will be known as f naught. Okay, this is model class because this number is the highest. We are going to consider this as f1. Okay, upside it is f naught, downwards it is f2. Now I hope you are clear with f1, f0 and f2. सबसे पहले क्या select करना है? f1, then f0 and then f2, right? And this is known as model class. So 35 is the lower limit of the model class. Let's write it. Model class is 35 to 45. Lower limit is 35. f0, f1's value is 23. What is f0? f0 is 21. f2 is 14, right? Like this we have written all the terms which were used in the formula. Now let's write the formula again. Formula was L plus bracket start f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, now let's substitute all these values in this formula. What we'll get? This is 35, L is 35, 23 minus 21 f0, 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f2. Clear? f2 is 14, right? So substitute all the terms and size of the interval is h is what? H you are going to write here as 10 because you can see all the class interval have 10 numbers gap in between. Okay, if in some question gap varies, then you have to take the gap of or the size of the model class only, right? In question, if it varies, if size varies, then you are going to consider the size of the model class. Then after, here we get 2, here we get 46, and this becomes 35 into 10. 35 as it is, 2 into 10 will be 20 upon we have 11. Okay, now first of all you have to solve this much only. This we have 1.82 and this is 35. Adding them we will get 36.82 as our answer. I hope this is clear to you. And one more thing I must tell you that this is one of the easiest and important question of this chapter. Okay, very important topic of this chapter, right? There were, I think, 6 questions in your NCERT. 1 I have solved for you. Remaining 5s are all same, right? Do those all 5 questions and send it to me on your WhatsApp. Okay, or you can submit it on Google Class even. So thank you and have a nice day. Next we will do median in the next class. Thank you.